Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still a poet that DJ. So today we are back with another episode of Speaker Now, another local rapper from Qumbu. Ilali yakhe kude kakhulu, so uyena uzongihlola. So today we Speaker Now is French Kid. French Kid, welcome to Speaker Now. How are you, my man?
I'm good, Dasabs. How are you doing? I'm good.
Maybe nje before siqale, uphuma kiphi la lapha Qumbu?
I'm from Qumbu. I'm from Mtondela. That village is near a high school called Jobet Ludid.
Okay, ngiyibona iJobet apha. So awungitshela i-stage name sakho lesa French Kid, igama elithafu kanje. Livela
like from my mom. Like when she comes to my room, she sees untied every time. You know, she was like, you know what, you're a French Kid. So my homeboys called me French Kid, especially after they heard that shit. You know.
Okay. So when it comes to hip hop, we have ama-genres amaningi, ama-subgenres la bakhona benza ama-lyrical and stuff, aba-trap, abanye benza i-drill. Wena ukiphi like i-category ungenapho na
like all I can say is that I fit everywhere, you know.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
And when it comes to ama-hooks, maybe ulo muntu ohambayo o-check ama-vocalist or else yonke into uzenzela wena la.
Yeah, I do everything with my own self. Like sometimes I just go to my own producer, like, you know, dude, I need some help, you know,
okay.
All those kind of things and stuff.
Okay, so kulela lakho ubani umuntu producer or else urecorder somewhere else uproducer music wakho?
It's my own village. It's my own village. So my producer we call him Terra. Everybody knows him there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uqale kakhulu hip hop or else versatile wenza namanye ama-genre?
Everything, piano, boom, hip hop, all those kind of things.
Terra.
Yeah.
Okay, shout out to Terra. All producers are respected the show because without bona ngaba lama beats bathatha internet. So all producers like this space, maybe in future now Terra sazombini basehlaya now Speaker Now. So back to your music, have you dropped before like a project or EP or else say umuntu odropha ngama singing?
I only drop in singles.
In singles.
Yeah.
Maybe to remember when was the first time you dropped single like uqala?
Yeah, I still remember. It was 2024.
2024.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yabanjani maybe reception after seyiphophile nakhi bakhona maybe abantwana bavimba esitradini basho no rapper because lento leyo rapper le ngiyayazi ukuthi iyadlisa la kuma.
Yeah, everybody liked it, especially at school. Everywhere, every corner I turned, they were listening to that home. Yeah.
So what was the name of the single that you wrote?
It was First Day.
First Day.
Yeah.
Like it's in the content like what are we talking about with the singing?
It's about love, you know. How I feel, how I wanna comfort everybody who is in love, you know. I want like I'm expressing my own feelings there.
Okay, so I'll take to umntwana akuyona i-breakup so
no,
some rappers they always tell you about this guy about tough but they are very weak but let's be bebhala ama-breakup song because ba-catch so now I'm taking umntwana.
No.
Okay, so ikhona maybe ama-platform lo upload ekhona le ngoma or else usaqala nobusendela nje abantu vawo WhatsApp and stuff or zange uyiposte anywhere?
I never posted it anywhere unless I had reels on Facebook. Okay. I had some reels about it.
Okay, list about reels ayahlala ku Facebook so you can go back to and watch it again because the dog drop on WhatsApp ingoma igcina siphelele somewhere because there's ayikho indawo lehleli khona so I'm against abantu abadropa ku WhatsApp because at least mawudropa ku YouTube or it's SoundCloud because ama links akhona you can always listen to music even if ungaphethe phone so yeah.
Okay, cool. I can show you my reels.
Okay, so
I don't mind.
Let's get back to your music. Maybe when it comes to writing, because I know it is very personal when it comes to my rappers, when it comes to writing.
Yeah.
To write your own music, or it's maybe when you ghost writer like what's a
nah, like especially when I'm sitting alone in my crib listening to beats, I'll be like, no man, I got some new hooks.
Okay, you know? So you are that kind of rapper who only write when there's a beat. You cannot write a song without a beat.
Yeah.
Okay, so every time we go to a studio, we have to have a pen because we have to write.
Like when there's a new beat for me, like I get it and relax with it, listen to it. Sometimes while I'm walking, listening to it, I'll be like, all right, there's a new hook. Then I note it down.
Okay, maybe when you are looking to these guys who are making big, like international or local, like can you name maybe three ama-rappers now, motivational level like one like maybe a band or listen to a song like storytelling like ibang labantu abakumotivator.
Pop Smoke is my favorite rapper. Even though he's dead, I feel like his spirit.
say alive very much.
Yeah, I feel like his spirit is inside me, you know. It flows inside me. Then it will be little baby. Little baby. I love him. Like
I'm also fighting with baby.
yeah, he's good at his own.
That's dope.
Yeah. Then it will be who's that nigga again? Baby Days.
Baby Days.
Yeah.
Hey, Baby Days, I think he's famous to these young kids. I never even heard one song by Baby Days, but he's very famous because on YouTube they're always talking about
He's a
him.
cool rapper. Like everything he does, he goes viral.
But does he have an album?
Yeah, he do.
Angazi ngibona Baby Days like my iTunes and Spotify.
You can find him on Spotify, all those platforms, you know.
Okay, I think maybe need to check out because igama lakhe like always pop up on YouTube like TikTok like. Anyway, so when I do have maybe my social medias akusiza ukuthi like abantu bebone like ubuild brand yakho
Yeah, I got one.
TikTok or Facebook.
Yeah, I had TikTok, but my phone died, so Facebook, the reels.
So on TikTok you post your content or else now maybe I'll post the content yakho or post my jokes because it is what these rappers they do. They have like crazy numbers. Maybe on a page on 2,000 followers, but you post my jokes instead of you post the
Nah,
content.
I don't do jokes, only reels.
Only words.
Reels.
So how many songs have you dropped? Because umuntu ogroup singing maybe so group songs amanga
4.
4.
Yeah.
So from 2020 until 2020
2024.
2024
Yeah.
and soon 4 songs already.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're doing great. Yeah. Have you dropped this year?
Nah, like, yeah, I would say so. But my producer left. He's in Durban right now.
Okay. So anything usebenzela kuyona like izo drop anytime soon?
Yeah, I'm working on a new hit. It's called Drill Life.
Real life.
Yeah.
So any features ushaye one?
I only do my own thing alone. Like, I don't know, maybe I could feature someone if I had to.
Okay. So far no feature.
No.
So there's no anyone like around Kumu, maybe who are most like a vocalist or someone or something because there are so many.
Two.
Mention.
Yeah. His name is KG. He sings gospel and I'm a piano, all those things. Then the second one is Praise.
Okay. Both they are from that side.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. Somebody says to check up because up and down like I know. I'm not about familiar, so I think
You will know him. Even right now, if you could take your phone, search for Praise, you will see him.
Okay, I know. So check. Yona umsebenzi wami ucheck abantu sisikhabathandela iqombo. So uthi awudrop ama visual anything we shoot up because sifuna ukwazi ukuthi maybe there's anything esinga because after ufike la uspeaker now akhona abantu abazokubona maybe ufuna ukufollow so ikhona anything ezayo like maybe like ama interview ama music video like into oneplay nayo like sifuna ukwazi
Like, I'm playing about everything that could make my career be good, you know? Like, yeah. It's not like I had some peer pressure on me, no. I just want to make my career cool for me, you know, all those things and stuff.
Okay, so you umhla 16 mhlambe umanye ama peers akho like abasafuna ukupusha ama goals zabo maybe yiphi message ongayisho nje like some sort of motivation because you
I would say that guys, be in control of your own creations, you know? Like, I'm saying like be a creator, like don't let everybody in your way like to stand for what you want. Go for it. That's what I would say.
I know, I think uvele wathetha wonke. So since ungena music wakho la right now maybe can you perform something for us maybe like a freestyle nyana bekubona abantu ukuthi no you are that guy like also
maybe I could give you a clip in my own song first day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So thanks guys for watching Speaker Now. Sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Now, Instagram Speaker Now, YouTube Speaker Now. Maybe abafuna ukuza kwishow sekhona email Speaker Now, speakernow@gmail. So yeah, Speaker Now, bese no Crash Kid. We out.
Shout out to you guys, love you.
Hola.